Good day. We want to look at the question x plus x raised to the power minus 1 equals 2. What is x? Let's look at it together. Solution. Given that x plus x minus 1 equals 2, we want to find x. From this is written as x plus, from our knowledge in indices, says that whenever there's a number being risen to a negative index, for instance, a raised to the power minus 1, this can be written as 1 over a. If I have a raised to the power minus m, this is the same as 1 over a raised to the power m. So x raised to the power minus 1 is now going to become 1 over x is equal to 2. This is now a fraction. We clear the fraction by taking off x down there. We find the LCM, which is x, and it multiplies all the terms of the equation. So I have x times x plus x times 1 over x equals 2 times x. X times x is giving us x squared. X will take care of this x, giving us plus 1 here, equals 2 times x, giving us 2x. Now looking at this, we are having a certain equation which is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is called the quadratic equation. Therefore, we arrange this equation in this form, which is now x squared. This 2x will come as minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. In factorizing this equation, that is by comparing to the general equation, a here is 1, b is minus 2, c is 1. Now we multiply the product a by c. So we find the product ac, which is 1 times 1, which is 1. Now we find two numbers. When we multiply, we get 1. When we add, we get b, in this case, which is minus 2. So our two numbers are going to be minus 1, minus 1. Now this minus 1 are going to be substituted in place of the b, which is now giving us x squared. Since they are both negative, so minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. From this, we group them. So this is 1, this is the other. We come to our factorization. For this one, the common factor here is x, so x comes out. I have x left here, minus 1. Then we come here, minus 1 out, x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this, I have x minus 1, taking 1 gives us x minus 1. Then taking the coefficient of these ones, the multiplier of these ones, another x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have x minus 1. Since they are the same, just take 1 and equate it to 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 0 plus 1. So x is equal to 1. Do follow us for more. Goodbye.